Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can quickly and easily change the language in the TikTok app on absolutely any of your iPhones. Please, friends, don't forget to put likes under the video, be sure to write a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. And let's get started on this topic, friends. And if you have a situation that you would like to change the language in the TikTok app to use it more conveniently, but you don't want to change the whole language of your iPhone, the whole interface, it's very easy to do that. First, you will need to open the settings on your iPhone and then scroll down to the bottom. Find the apps option. Then also scroll down and find the TikTok app. Click on it. And then also scroll down. And at the very bottom, you will find the language function. Click on that. And here, friends, you can easily change the language. You can either choose the language that you've already used on your iPhone, or you can scroll down and choose the language that you are more comfortable with. In order to change the language, you will just have to tap on it. Next, exit. As you can see, instantly the language will be changed, and when you go to the TikTok app, you can see that the language in the app has been changed. But the language on the entire interface of your iPhone remains the same. That's the quick and easy method, friends. You can easily change the language in the TikTok app. I really hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Please don't forget to put likes, write comments under this video, and also subscribe to our channel. See you, friends.